Hey guys, so yes, the sixth day audition of our Panache Miss and Mr. India 2021 is going on, and now we have Dhanalika from Assam, and she is going to show us her traditional dance performance. So, Dhanalika, can you please introduce yourself and can you please talk about your performance?
Yes, ma'am. Hello, everyone. I hope all are doing well. My name is Taraka Narzari, and my age is 19 years old. I'm from Northeast Assam. So I believe that self-confidence is super power. That if we believe in ourselves, we start living happily. And I'm going to dance Bodo traditional for you all. So here I go.
Please go ahead, Dhanalika.
Yes, ma'am.
Wow. Dhanalika, that's a lovely performance, Dhanalika. Thank you, Dhanalika.
Yes. Thank you so much, Dhanalika.
Thank you so much. That's a lovely performance. Thank you so much. You did it very gracefully.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you.
So, Siddhi ma'am, Nishal ma'am, whom we have
Yes.
next? Who we have next?
Yes, ma'am. Palak. Palak.
Palak is not. So Swati is ready. I guess. Palak is ready.
Yeah. Okay.
Hi, Palak. Palak, where are you from?
Hi, I'm from Vadodara, Gujarat.
Gujarat. Okay. And what are you going to perform?
So I can sing also and cartoon mimic also. So whatever you like.
Okay. Can we
Want
go
me
ahead
to-
with a cartoon mimic? Because we had a lot of singers before. So that will be something
Okay.
different for our audience.
All right, all right. Can I start?
Yes, please.
Okay. हाय दोस्तों, हाय निखिल मैम, हाय सिद्धि मैम, मैं हूँ नैनी, मैं हूँ शिनचैन की दोस्त। क्या आप मेरे साथ घर घर खेलना चाहोगे क्या? नहीं तो ऑफिस ऑफिस खेलते हैं। आपको मजा आएगा ना? बहुत मजा आएगा। नहीं खेलना तो डॉक्टर डॉक्टर खेलना पसंद करोगे क्या? चलो ना, सुबह से मैं कब से इंतजार कर रही हूँ तुम लोगों के आने का। तुम लोग हो कि मुझे हमेशा रुलाते रहते हो। हाँ हाँ हाँ, चलो ना मेरे साथ खेलने प्लीज।
Oh, that's so sweet. Thank you, Palak. That was really amazing. And I think Siddhi ma'am, Nishal ma'am, you should play with her now.
Ma'am, we heard her singing also. She sings also amazing. She's sang a Golka for us.
Oh, wow.
Can I start? If you allow.
Sure, please, if you want. Just a small, maybe 2-3 lines. You can go ahead.
Okay, yeah, sure. गोरी राधा ने काड़ो कान घर में घूमे भूली भान गोरी गोरी राधा ने काड़ो कान घर में घूमे भूली भान राधा नो रूप छे कानोडानी प्रीत छे जगनी अरीत नु शुकान गोरी राधा ने काड़ो कान घर में घूमे भूली भान
Wow, that's so nice. Palak, you have such a sweet voice. Palak, I think you're somewhere outside, right? Like, are you working or?
Yeah, so I'm working as a medical officer.
Oh, wow. So, you are in your office right now?
Yeah, I'm in the clinic.
You're in a clinic? Oh, wow. So, why this pageant, Palak? Like, you being a medical officer, joining a pageant. Can I know
So
the reason?
I always wanted to be in the social media since the 7th class, since I was in the 7th class. But the circumstances, like my grandpa wanted me to become a doctor. So that's how I have joined biology, and then I had to complete my study. Then and then only I can complete my dream.
Wow. So, what have you done in your studies?
I have done bachelorate in Ayurveda, medical and surgery. So I am treating a cardiac patient, a diabetic patient, and blood pressure patients right now.
Okay, great. And you have any message for our audience in this time of pandemic?
Just stay healthy, eat a good food, healthy food, mummy ka khana, obviously, and have lots of water. And don't go outside if until and unless it's an emergency or grocery कुछ लेना है घर का सामान, and have a good sleep. And be around with your friends and family, क्योंकि एक positive mind ही ये pandemic से बचा सकता है.
That's very true. Thank you so much, Palak. It was lovely talking to you. Thank you.
Same here. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
So, Suji ma'am, whom we have next?
Yes. Swati.
Yes, ma'am.
Hi, Swati. How are you doing?
Hello, ma'am. I'm great. How about you?
I'm doing good. So, Swati, where are you from?
Ma'am, I'm from the spiritual culture of our Varanasi.
Varanasi. Wow. So, what are you going to do right now?
I'm going to perform right now.
Ramp walk? Yes, please. Go ahead. We would love to see you.
Yes, ma'am.
So this is Swati. She is going to start with her ramp walk. Meanwhile, we have Nishal ma'am and Siddhi ma'am. Nishal ma'am, any message
Yes.
for our audience out there?
Yeah, sorry, ma'am.
Any message for our audience? Meanwhile, Swati is getting ready. So any message for our
Alright.
audience?
So the message is that we are really getting so many talents from all around India, and it is an amazing opportunity for us also to see such beautiful and lovely talents. Like we just saw Palak, and then we are going to see Swati and around India actually. So it's a beautiful thing which I feel Panache has taken an initiative. This is a cause for everybody, which will get positive vibes to them.
That's really true. And yes, absolutely. It's giving a lot of positive vibes to all the contestants and even to us.
Correct.
Thank you so much, ma'am. And now we have Swati ready here with us. Swati, please start with your walk. Wow, that was lovely work, Swati. And I really love your dress that you're wearing. It's really pretty. It's looking very nice on you. Thank you. Thank you, and thank you, Siddhi ma'am, Nishal ma'am. And
Thank you,
yes,
ma'am.
we'll
Thank
come back
you.
if we have more such